Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to try fishing, but you didn't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the top 10 questions every beginning angler asks. From license, to bait, to where to cast your line first. Let's dive in. Question number 1, do I need a fishing license? Quick answer, yes, you need a fishing license. Question number 2, where can I fish without a boat? Shore fishing's free, so that's good. And it's easy. You're gonna try piers, riverbanks, community ponds, look for bridges. You wanna check local rules first. Question number 3, what's the best beginning rod and reel? The best reel is probably gonna be a spinning rod if you're a beginner. Like a $30 to $40 spinning combo with line already spooled on it, probably fine. No fancy gear needed. Question number 4, what bait works best? What's the difference between live bait and actual fishing lures? Well, lures are going to be more difficult because you got to figure out how to work them. If you're a beginner and you just want to get a fish to bite, live lures are going to be the best. Now, if you don't like touching live bait, like this guy, you can always just get some plastic worms. Question number 5, what is the easiest fish to catch? Well, you're going to target bluegill and trout. They bite fast and they taste great. All right, question number 6, can I eat my catch? Usually, yes, but you want to check the local laws about size, fish you can take and cook. You also want to be aware of the health of that pond. So you want to check local regulations as far as eating fish. If you should be eating, they have a list. The state should have a list of places you should not eat fish out of. So you want to check that before you go ahead and be like, sweet, I'm going to eat it. I don't want anyone getting sick. Question number 7, how much does gear cost? So start off with the $30 combo or a $40 combo. And then if you want to upgrade from there, you can go up, but you can just start cheap. You don't have to go expensive. Question number 8, what are the basic rules to know? The basic rules you want to know are size limits, catch limits, and the fishing season if you have a fishing season. If you ignore these 3 very specific things, you will get a fine if you get caught. Question number 9, how to tie a knot. Well, am I going to do that? Because there's plenty of videos on how to tie a knot, but the clinch knot is probably the easiest knot. All right, the last question, question number 10, what to wear? Well, you want to wear some sunglasses, polarized sunglasses so you can see through the water and you can see the fish. You want to wear a baseball hat for sun protection and cut down on that glare coming down into your sunglasses. And you want to wear somewhat sunproof clothing unless you're going to be lathering on suntan lotion all the time, which I don't do because I feel like if it gets on the lures, the fish can sense that, taste that, and they don't want the lure as much. So I wear sunproof clothing, very light pants, very light shirt, long sleeve shirt with a hood, baseball hat, sunglasses, hood up. All right, so that's it. Drop a comment down below on your biggest fishing question. I'll answer the top questions in the follow-up video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Now go catch something. Thanks for watching this week. This is the Freshwater Fishing Novice YouTube channel. My name is Moles. I'm the Freshwater Fishing Novice. Hope you have a great week, day, evening, morning, whenever the heck you're watching this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week.